While I'm watching TV, y'all go watch Mr. Biscuit. If he starts doing his feet, he loves his daddy. That's me. Hey, honey. Hey, honey. You biscuit boy. That's my biscuit. He likes to reach for stuff. When you reach for stuff, honey, what is the other that you like so much? What is it? Isn't it silly, kitty? Isn't he silly? You're silly. You're so silly. Look at his belly. See his belly? That's a fat, silly belly. Yes, it is. Hi, Mr. Biscuit. Yes, I love him. He's my pal. He's my buddy. He's my biscuit. Mr. Biscuit. You're so fun. You're such a cutie pie. Yes, you are. You're so silly when you lay on your back on your side like that. You don't even touch some places. Oh, yeah. This is my buddy. This is my biscuit. And me a whole bushel of biscuits down there. Mr. Biscuit, wake up, buddy. A whole bushel? Is it a whole bushel of biscuits? Oh, yeah, boy. See what he's doing. See, what's the play doing? That's okay. Run away now, still. You can go away if you want to. You want to go away? You just lay there. You're a good boy. You're silly. Isn't he silly, you guys? I mean, look at this. What are you being so silly about? Look at the camera here. Look at this. Oops. Ow. What are you doing that for? You okay? Okay. You better finish licking there, okay? I'm gonna take a hit off the bowl. You want a hit? Sorry. You didn't know what it was. It smelled it. Like, oh, that's what it is. I see you still. He trips on the smoke. They're tripping out on the smoke.
And we had 20 cubic feet of space inside. That's about the same as a household refrigerator. And the temperature was almost that cold inside. It was a drama.
You didn't like it this time. See you later, Mr. Biscuit. That was that. He said, sorry, Dad, I'm leaving. Bye, everybody. Go Ducks, go Bees, go Civil War, what a trip. One of them is going to the Rose Bowl. Good afternoon.